Hello, David here, and the project for today is replacing the baking element on this electric oven. It's a General Electric P7. This is from the 1960s, maybe 1970s. You're probably never going to see one of these, but I use it in my shop for curing Cerakote and other duties as assigned. So the only element that's working is the top element, which is the broiler element. That's the one that's not working, the bottom one. So the size of the element is about 13.5 inches wide and 17 inches deep. Oven fits into a 24-inch space in a wall because it's a wall oven. The GE model number is JKP07G 0J5BG. I got a replacement element from Amazon. See if it matches up size for size. Yeah, that's real close. Comes with some hardware for connecting the wire to the terminal. I'm seeing a problem already. See this part that mounts to the wall, the back wall of the oven? The hinge swings so you can lift it up for cleaning the bottom of the oven. Well, you see these feet on here? These feet should be turned the other way. The feet turn down to hold the element off the bottom floor of the oven, and then that only allows the element to swing down and not up. These nuts are 1/4 inch. Make sure your circuit breaker's turned off or the oven is unplugged. You have to unscrew those connections. Okay, it's all hooked up and it is putting out heat. I'm going to consider this video a success. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.